This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not your financial advisor. Please do your own research. Welcome back to my YouTube channel AI Moonstar. Friends, artificial intelligence is changing the world of content creation from cinematic videos to lifelike images. Everything is now possible with just one simple prompt. On this channel, we explore the best AI tools, breaking them down into easy, step-by-step tutorials for complete beginners. Whether you want to create stunning visuals or promote your own AI projects, you're in the right place. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the future of AI together. Meet Orca Router, the one AI gateway that gives you access to over 200 top AI models like GPT, Claude, and Gemini through a single connection point, with zero markup on pricing. It automatically grades every request and routes it to the best performing model, keeps your app running with instant failover if a provider goes down, and adds built-in guardrails, security, and cost tracking, all while charging you the exact same price the AI providers charge, with no hidden fees. In today's video, I am going to share about the Orca router that can easily route your prompt to the right model using AI. We are going to share about this open source tool and everywhere you can use it with zero markup, zero migration, and one API. With differential quality, yes, here you can get your API. And it can also be used here. If you want more information, then you can also check here. 0% routing markup ever, 40% average cost reduction versus list price, 200 plus models with 10 plus providers, and 1 millisecond of overhead added. And you can check the design that is also given, direct provider. Yes, you can easily contact here. No middleman is required in that. There is provider terms apply end to end. It means the providers provide it and you are going to get it. There is no middle person. It means you can easily work directly with that and live in 60 seconds. One URL can change your existing software development kit into a model name, and then you can also point it at what you are going to choose in another step. There is also real-time experience. You can easily get every model at the best rate. Like there is Claude Sonnet, GPT, there is Gemini with the latest model, and there is Router 2, with the input per month and output. You can even check out the context and quality. There you can easily check out their AI model that is going to give you all the services. And they are also going to give you Seed Dance 2, 0. There is Kimi K2 as well as Quen, DeepSeek, and many other models. You can easily check out many other details about this platform, like production grade from day one, that is going to give you real-time experience in a safe ecosystem. You can easily check if you want to join. You can also create your account on the Orca router. You can also check here to create an account using Google, Microsoft, or email. You can easily create your account successfully on this platform. Once you log into the platform, you can easily check here. There is the dashboard. And now you can also go for traffic routing. There are model performance APIs you can easily create. But for that, you can also submit a request to get their AI model. So here are all the options where you are going to create the endpoints. There are partners, you can also become one of them, and here are all the details. If you want to apply for it, then your friends, your other team members will join, and then you can get some share of it. And here is also now if you want to put your text there are the newest AI models. You can easily select what the required per month amounts are here for the image generation. You can also use all of these. If you want to create audio, these are the AI models that can be used. If you want to create video, then this can also be helpful for you. So, for input like 4K resolution and length, you can easily check here. There is a complete series. If you want to make growth, then a key link is already given here with these, like number 7. If you want to select, then there are also the key link services. So here are many tools. If you want to check out, there are 117 plus AI tools given here. So you can easily check what is suitable to you. You can easily check out. Next is about the routing. If you want to create a router, you can click on it. There, you can write the name, and then you can also click on the AI model you are going to select. And after that, you can also select the strategy you are going to choose. And after that, select the default model and click on route. And then the router will be created successfully. And next, you can also check about their members. If you want to upgrade, then there is also the upgrade option. You can also check out. There is also the get started option. If you have any questions or queries, you can ask in the comment box too. And their team is also going to help you out in that way. And if you still want more information, you can explore it. See you in the next video.